Welcome, here I've got ALLVIEW X4 Soul Style, and I'm gonna show how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open the camera app, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's move to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner. And as you can see, for now we have different options to manage here, and we are interested for now in guide the lines here. So by tapping on this button we get access to it, and here we have to pick level meter. So this is our leveler here, and as you can see now it appears here. So this is helpful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight when we take a picture. So this is how it works here, and of course when we don't need it, we go back to this button in the right corner, tap on the guide the lines here and pick none here. So as you can see now it's gone. This is how it works here, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.